7 roller. We are decidedly going to pull this head after discussion. So I am now in the process of pulling the distributor. And of course, I'm going to use this. I'm going to take a picture while we're rolling, so I have reference of where to position that baby again. So, pulling the dizzy, get the push rods out, pull the plugs. Then we're going to get our head bolts out. I got to do some fuel magic over there. Probably just take the thermostat off, I'm guessing. This will come straight out with his head, and away we go. Just remember, apparently, more silicone is better. We don't have the gasket for that? It's just silicone the living shit out of it. Ugh, God, there's gonna be so much cleanup on this. So, watch as the anti-seize goes flying. Ridiculous. Wow. Look at how much anti-seize is on the socket. And I've only undone, where is it? There it is. Like 5 of them. Maybe 6. Just insanity. I wonder if this guy used the whole jar of anti-seize. Good Lord. What a disaster. Found out why the AC doesn't work. Whee! That wasn't even tight. Lovely work, whoever did this. Cute. I'm just going to pull this out of my way because I got to pull all this bullshit out. Alright, so I've got almost everything off that we need to get off. See a thermostat housing. It's on there. I just got to pull this one hose here, but yeah, that baby's on. It's glued and rusted. I don't remember the last time that's been out. It looks like it hasn't been pulled in a long time, so that makes me a little wary of the quality of prior work as well. There's linkages. This is gonna be real fun. Got all that fucking silicone. Oh my God. A lot of work to do here. Alright, I got one more nut right there. I'm gonna pull the carbs off as a pair, put them on the bench, and then the head will come out. Looks like somebody had a really big love affair with copper coat. Ooh, boy. Copper coat and silicone. Anyway, that's out. Head's over here. There's a lot of cleanup to do here. Blue silicone. More blue silicone. The intake manifold part is going to be a blast. More blue silicone. That's never been apart lately. That's got orange silicone. Look, there's 3 colors of silicone right there. Ugh. Ugh. God. Alright, well, that's apart. And that's a coolanty, copper coaty mess. Look at that. Copper coat overspray on the firewall. Oh, good Lord. Somebody had a copper coat field day. I like copper coat, but I don't like copper coat like that. Spray it on the gasket. You do not spray it on the surface. Idiotas. Alright, so I'm going to soak up and clean up the bores right there and try to get some of that coolant cleaned up. But as you can see, sorry for the shitty video, all of these bolt holes go to water. So why would you put anti-seize, especially on the threads, when you're trying to keep water out? You did all this work and sprayed all this copper coat. I do not understand some people's thinking.